Hey, sir, are you texting? You're not on Facebook? You gotta let the world know. Extra, extra, hear all about it. Guess what happens tonight at 9:40, sir? Apparently a 3D drone show and fireworks. We pulled out all the stops today.
Here we go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Hi! We're here at Dollywood for the beginning of their summer celebration.
Their sweet summer celebration.
And sweet it is, and loud it is, and musical it is. It's so packed, we can't wait to show it all and bring you all the overview, the highlights, the waves to people behind us. Let's get ready to go on this Dollywood Summer Celebration adventure that rocks. The majority of summer celebration is right here at Wildwood Grove. This is the place to see the drones and the fireworks.
And so much more. Don't forget all the food and the dance party.
We got a lot to show them.
Let's go.
This bridge may not seem like much now, but stay tuned as we explain why it's so special and you need to check it out. A lot of people have been asking, where's the best place to watch the drone and fireworks show? So I am actually going to show you where a whole bunch of vloggers on that bridge, such as Sandy, the Crazy Pop, the Smoky Mountain Life, just out and about. They've all been camped out here since noon today. Let me hurry up and I'll switch the camera around. So right here, this here is the best place to see the fireworks tonight. So as you can see, if you're wondering, the bridge was right there where you just saw the tree right behind, and behind that tree is where the fireworks or drones are going to be taken off. So make sure to come early and get a good spot to see the firework and drone show tonight. There's so much happening out here at Dollywood Summer Celebration.
What is this called?
The Celebration Peach Spritzer.
Don't know how it tastes yet, but y'all look. The bottom lights up.
We're gonna be rocking tonight.
Yeah.
That is amazing.
Really fancy. You see the little gummies in there? They got gummies and cherries. Check it out. Going in. Ooh, that's peachy.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Wow, that's good. That's really refreshing.
We're gonna try this thing out. It's very peachy. Very good though. It's really good today. On a hot day.
It's refreshing.
Wow. Sandy, I don't know if you're gonna get this back or not. Hold on.
You definitely need to give it back. Come on, come on.
That's so refreshing. I gotta skip and get another. How fun is Wildwood Creek? The big splash area out here at Wildwood Grove. But believe it or not, they're gonna dry this up for a huge dance party tonight. Just to give you a warning and a heads up, the drying out of Wildwood Creek, we believe, takes place
Around 7:30, that time frame. But
they'll
nobody
definitely
will be allowed in here.
Yeah, they'll definitely come in and let you know that they're clearing everybody out and turning off the water to dry it out. I know what you're thinking. It's hard to imagine that this whole area is gonna become a dance party, but hold on, let's see how this rocks the night. So as you can see behind me, the splash area of Wildwood Grove is actually drained and all dried out before that dance party begins.
All right. And spinning. All right. Now, the lyrics to this.
The dance party at Wildwood Grove is actually inside the Wildwood Creek area. Now, as you saw before, they do close that off, but that doesn't stop people from already lining up to get their dancing on starting at 8 o'clock when they open those gates. One thing we did learn, limited capacity to 300, so definitely get here early and dance the night away.
Oh, look where we are.
Dreamland driving and the air conditioning is back. Let's enjoy the show.
The theater! And do you miss this? I didn't think you did. Well, it's good to have you all back.
Want to get an early sneak peek of the drones during the day?
We found a way. Just get on the train.
Check this out.
We're really proud of our engine and the guys that operate her. We hope you enjoy riding behind them just as much as we do. Now if you're wondering over there on the left, I have no idea how it works. That's the drone show.
How can you not come to this dance party? There's dancers all around me. There's dancers behind me. There's the party people on the bridge dancing. Everywhere you look, they're dancing out here. So what she's doing is actually loading the cone with all kinds of candy in there. So you got your churro, chocolate covered donut, your ice cream, your waffle cone, all filled with candy. Let's see what Sandy thinks.
Cookies in here?
There's all kinds of stuff in there.
Did you tell them to load it up?
I did not have to.
You didn't have to?
Nope.
All right, I'm excited about the donut here, but I'm gonna stick with the ice cream first. It's got Oreo cookies, and I think this cone is actually loaded. Oh!
What all's in there?
I don't know, but it's gonna be a surprise for whoever gets that. Ready? Oh, should I? Should I?
You can. I was going to, but yes, we'll let you
Okay,
get
ready?
close
Okay, get close.
because it's gonna
Ready?
spill. I'm ready.
Da, da, da.
Oh, wow.
That's the celebration
Yeah.
right there.
That-
Reese's peanut butter, mini chocolate chips, rainbow sprinkles. That's a sugar rush waiting to happen for somebody. All right, so here we go. You guys know I'm not using a spoon for this.
Uh-oh.
Let's see here. Not when I can use the donut as the spoon.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah.
Mmm. That's the way kids to eat a sundae right there. Look at them shake it off! I love the party atmosphere out here at Wildwood Grove. They even brought in a bunch of specialty carts. Let's go check them out. So this one here is one of those special spritzer carts, and they even give you light up glasses. Need an ice cream fix or plenty of soda? They've got it ice cold right here. And who doesn't love a snow cone during a party? If you haven't seen Wildwood Grove at night, you definitely want to come out here and take a look. These trees are, I believe, always lit up. Want a little look behind the scenes, such as that fog machine behind me? How do they get to pump in the air? Take a look. They actually have a fan that helps blow that fog. Check this out. Maybe you don't know how to dance. One thing about this dance party, they give lessons before the song actually starts. How cool is that? So just wanted to point out, if you come to the dance party and want to see the fireworks, you definitely want to be in the back area where the bridge is, but not to where I'm pointing at. If you stand in that corner, you're gonna get the obstacle of the tree with the fireworks, and as you can see in some of my video clips, why it cut off. But we have the full fireworks show. We're gonna put in the description down below.
What'd you get?
It's a new shirt. I even asked them at Mystery Mine, and they said this shirt is brand new. I cannot wait to wear this for Great Pumpkin Illuminates.
That is a nice looking shirt.
You know I'm wearing that for that event.
Yep. Nice.
Wow, that was incredible.
My mind is blown. I'm speechless.
Yeah, really. What was your favorite part?
Drones, the butterflies drones, and the size of it. I don't know if the video can actually show you the scope and size of what these drones can do. Unbelievable. And to mix it with the fireworks.
Yeah, I love it. Fireworks, and then the drones come up, and then fireworks again, and that grand finale was incredible.
Absolutely amazing. If you leave Dollywood usually early, don't make that mistake. You want to stick around and do this. 9:40 every night until the end of July.
Yeah.
So what are you waiting for? Definitely come on out. If you haven't hit that like and subscribe yet,
What you waiting for?
because you really never know where we're going to end up next. As we always say, make each and every day, including those nights, lit up in fireworks, an adventure that rocks. People ask us why we love doing our YouTube channel.
And one of the many reasons is all the friends and family and fellow YouTubers that we have met on our adventures.
It's been a blast. I love this sense of community.
And check out all the YouTube channels that we've met this weekend. And be sure to like, subscribe, follow along with their adventures as well.
And we'll put those descriptions all in the links down below.